the ass up in this fucking car. Bitch, I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Ball shit, walk in the building, I own shit. You can tell by who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, nigga talking about grown shit. Nigga too busy jacking my swag. Need to fuck around, get your own shit. Get your own cars, get your own cars.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Gerardo, just making a quick video regarding MCA, Motor Club of America. The first thing you want to know, guys, is not a scam. It's not a scam. There's real money, as you see. Real company, Motor Club of America. All you need to get started is $40. Now, what I want you to do is just look at the information, look at the videos, read the information below. And once you do that, inbox me, send me a message. And like I said, just cut off the BS. It's not a scam. As you see, I'm making money. We got the Ferrari Spider F430 on lockdown. And like I said, guys, I'm not working. This is my job, Motor Club of America. I don't have a boss. I don't work a 9 to 5. I don't sit in traffic.
So many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink, but I'm still pulling up in my family.